This video explains how to create a quiz with a set of randomized questions. Randomizing quiz questions ensures that learners receive a unique set of questions, reducing instances of cheating. In the content module where you want to create your quiz, click Create New Quiz. On the New Quiz page, enter your quiz details. Click Create New and click Question Pool. Enter your question pool details, click Browse Question Library, and select all the questions you want included in your quiz. Click Import and then click Save. You can hide question point values to help learners focus on the content rather than the score. During the quiz, points stay hidden, but they'll still appear later in the quiz results display. To enable this, expand the Timing and Display section. Select Hide Question Point Values under Display, then click Save and Close. After adding details to your quiz, change its visibility to Visible and click Save and Close. Your quiz appears in the Quizzes tool and your chosen module. Thanks for watching. We hope this tutorial helped you feel confident creating and managing your question pools.